Right now, each and every brand or business are trying to get online. They're hiring content creators, or someone is like doing personal branding, just putting out content, trying to put out content, make their own audience. But have you ever thought that right now, like as everyone says that you have to be on podcast also, you also have to do article thing, you also want to publish YouTube show, your YouTube vlog, or your specific YouTube videos, and Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. But how could you just manage your content ideas? Or in this video, we are not going to talk about how to get content ideas, but in this video I'll be sharing my experience on how you can manage your content ideas. Whether if you are like working for a brand or your own self, it will be really helpful, because if you are watching this video, you will be creating content whether for yourself or someone, or you might be thinking of creating a content. So here's how it is. As I said, that there's a lot of people facing difficulties with like managing their content ideas. Like you can say that it is a form of editorial calendar. It is actually editorial calendar, but it's not with the dates. So that's the only difference. It is what actually I have used, and right now I'm not using it because I'm right now trying some new different strategies also. Let's talk about the benefits first. When you have that like your content ideas managed in a proper form, some people don't feel overwhelmed, because they know that, oh, today I have to post on Instagram, I have to publish a YouTube video, I have to do this, that. So there's a lot of things. It completely depends. Everyone has their own strategy, everyone has their own way to work. So this may help you and this may not help you. So if you want to watch this, you can watch. If you want to leave, you can leave it right now. So here's what I did. First, like as you know that there's a two way to like manage your content ideas or like calendar stuff, which is like, first is Google, Excel, Microsoft Excel. I've worked on that. And the second, which I like the most, is Trello. It's a free tool. You can create around 15 boards for free on Trello. Like when you could easily use a pre-made templates also, like editorial calendar and that all stuff, but that didn't work for me. It may work for you and it may not work for you. So just like create a board, right? If you are comfortable with like writing the video content ideas, article content ideas, or like image or whatever, like sometimes you get an idea about, oh, I can make content with this cup, oh, I can like edit, like you get it, right? There's a lot of creative ideas coming. So right now what I do is I just pull up my sticky notes and I write it. What you can do is you can create a separate cards on it, like a video content, audio content, and that. And I also want you to create a second board, which is like you can use a specific platform type content, like a platform type card, which is for YouTube. You could add a lot of ideas which you want to do, and also under that you can like put your due date, or want to add some notes, you can also do that. And on articles, there's the same thing which you could do. Like if you want your team members to also manage it, they also has an option to that. So it's a really very good tool which you could use it. This is not a promotion video, neither I've get paid to promote this. I'm right now promoting this because it is actually very helpful, and I'm sure this will help you a lot if you are facing issue with managing your content. Even if you have working with a team by 5 to 10 members, this may also help you. So check out that. And once that also is not working you, there's another template which I like. You can say that it is a template of Trello only, which I learned from a well-known marketer known as Brad. What he do is like he write down the articles, which is like not articles, the ideas. Oh, I have to do, like I have to work on my email campaign. It is more of a to-do type, but this may also help you. Like right now I have to do this, like to do, ongoing, done, and posted. You can also do this. So everyone, like there's a lot of different million ways to do that, but what actually matters is what is helping you and with what you are comfortable with. So a lot of people also, like I also want to add a quick note about it. A lot of people also use like I don't have an editorial calendar, I'm not able to manage my content. This is the excuse of not putting out content. If you want to just put out the content, just flip your phone and just record and just upload. Hope you guys got some value from this content, and it will really mean a lot to me if you just feel free to comment on your honest opinion, reviews or feedback, whatever you want to call it. Thank you for watching.